not simple to say, and most days I don't recognize with these shoes, these aprons, that place needs patrons. I've taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be. Although it's true, I was never an attention sweet center. I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken and won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of the excuses and making beautiful life. She is home, but she used to be mine. It's not what I asked for. Sometimes I like to slip through the back door and the curves, the present, and make believe it's not true. And now I can live. You're not what I asked for. If I know this, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite and think all too. For the girl that I knew will be reckless, just enough. Get her, well, here's how to tuck it on when she's bruised and gets used by a man who can't love. And now she gets stuck in this scared. Your mind doesn't say her which one would it take to finally remind her to fight just a little, to think back to find her life. You know it used to be mine. Used to be mine. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She is all of these nature, making a beautiful life. She is gone, but she used to be mine.
Ah units en un únic crit. Que demanin desig, que demanin desig. I tu, nerviosa, com sempre que toques sense lliure atenció, has fixat els ulls en un punt imprecís del menjador. Un segon, 2 segons, 3 segons, 4 i 5.
Els teus ulls cavalcaven buscant un desig, les espelmes cremaven i alguns dels amics t'enfocaven amb càmeres de retratar. Una veu em matava i creuava l'espai, ja en el fons m'acabava el collet de la copa. Decidit a trobar un raconet adequat per fer-me petit, petit. Desapercebut, estirar-me una estona i per fi relaxar-me, celebrant el plaer indescriptible que és estar amb tu, avui que et fas gran. Mentre fora de l'ull les espelmes es van apagar. I amagar-me entre un cap de suro i la paret, just a temps que no em mengi el collons de gatet i escalar les sanefes del teu
meus respectes a l'autoritat. Escoltar amb atenció batalletes curioses, els més vells. Fer-me fotos gracioses amb altres il·lustres viatgers. I amb un home amb corbata que no sé qui és, i en el núvol de somnis que tens a l'abast, i entre d'altres que ho sento, però ja mai viuràs. Detectar un caminet que m'allunyi del grup, o una ombreta tranquil·la on, desapercebut, estirar-me una estona i per fi relaxar-me, celebrant el plaer indescriptible que és estar amb tu avui que et fas gran. Mentre fora de l'ull les espelmes es van apagar.